there's a new set of hints hitting Ancestry.com, and those hints are coming from newspaper obituaries. Let's talk about that next. Howdy, I'm Devin Noel Lee with Family History Fanatics, where we help you to understand genetic genealogy, climb your family tree, and write the stories about your ancestors. We do this through our twice weekly YouTube videos, our webinars, as well as our book products. To find out more about these services, be sure to check the description section. And those hints are coming from the Newspaper Obituary Collections, Newspaperscom Obituary Index. Let's go ahead and dive into what these are like. So this is William Osborne Townley. He's a first cousin 3 times removed. Yes, when your last name is Townley, I'm trying to track you down. So let's go ahead and review this hint to see if it's one that I need to use for my research. Now, what you find is you'll find a name, a death age, an approximate birth year, and other details as it goes through. So we have that his obituary was placed in Cincinnati, Ohio. In this obituary, it names a lot of relatives. We have a spouse, we have a child, and we have siblings. And these are relatives that I'm fully aware of. Now, if I want to view the obituary, I must have a newspapers.com subscription in order to access this. So you need to have an Ancestry subscription as well as a newspaper subscription. But there are discounts for having both, so go ahead and check that out. Now, you can see that Ancestry has already clipped very well, I might add, clipped this newspaper obituary for William Townley. And I can go through and read all of this wonderful information that a hint, an automatic research assistant found for me with all of this great information. Now, I can save it to Ancestry from here, but I'm going to go back actually over here to the search form and say, is this for William Osborne Townley, who married Pauline Elizabeth Mueller? Absolutely. That is correct. So when I say yes, then I can go through my search form merging page. I really don't know what we call it, but I like to call it a search form merging page. So I'm going to go through and see. They say William Townley is different. Townley is different from this one over here. I'm going to go ahead and leave it. It's not adding any new information. I could go ahead and move this residence information over here and put 1969 to remind myself that he was living there at this time. I'm going to go back and change it later to something a little more accurate in a moment. His death happened in 1969. That's not new information. And then I can pick up additional relatives. I really, really wish I could pick up siblings right here, but you can't. So I'm going to go ahead and press save. And now I can go ahead and remind myself why that is accurate. The name is right, the places are right, the relationships were right, and the dates were right. I learned something new. I did learn the name of a child, so I can put that there. And then if I had any other details I want to put, like such as the address for his home at the time of death is included. So that will automatically save. I don't have to hit another button. How cool is that? So let me go over to William Osborne Townley that died in 1969. And remember, I had this residence information right here. I can go ahead and click Edit and grab this location. I really don't want to have this entry right here, but instead I can come and make a note, description, age at death, and residence. There you go. That's how you can go ahead and extract some of the information about your ancestors from obituaries. So that was a quick method of taking advantage of Ancestry's obituary collection from Newspaperscom that may be showing up in your hint feed. You can also search the obituary collection straight from the form field. Have fun exploring obituaries for your ancestors. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos on DNA, genealogy, and family history writing, and check out some of these videos for more tips on how to use Ancestry.com and other research platforms.